Hello students. So in some of the topics related to metrics I have already discussed in the previous class. So today I'm going to discuss one previous year question. This question uh, asked in June 2014 CSIR net physics exam. So they have what they have asked for, one matrix is given to you and they have asked for the eigenvalue of that matrix. So what are the properties you know about the eigenvalues? That the trace of the eigenvalue is the trace of a matrix is equal to the sum of the eigenvalue, and the second is the product of the eigenvalue is equal to the determinant of the matrix. These 2 points you know already, and one more point you should remember, that for the Hermitian matrix, the eigenvalue of a Hermitian matrix is real. Okay, so in the given question, the given matrix is a Hermitian matrix, because if you write A dagger, so the A dagger will be equal to A. So the given matrix is a Hermitian matrix, so the eigenvalue of the given matrix will be real. So the option C is discarded using this concept. Now you have only 3 options to choose, and the second concept you will apply, that the trace of the matrix is equal to the sum of the eigenvalue. So if you apply this concept, the trace will be equal to 0, so the sum of the eigenvalue will be equal to 0. So if you apply this concepts, then A, B, D in all options, the sum will be equal to, so in A and B option the sum will be equal to 0, but in D option sum is not 0. So the D option is discarded. Okay. So now you left with only 2 options, A and B. Now you have to solve. What you have to do, find out the determinant of the matrix. So how you find out the determinant of the matrix? 2i, 3i, minus 2i, 0, 6i, minus 6i, 0. So how you will find out the determinant? 0 into 0 minus and minus minus plus 36i square plus minus 2i 0 and minus minus will plus 18i square. Okay, and here you will have minus plus 3i plus 3i and minus plus 12i square, 12i square and 0 minus 0. So now you will have now you will have 36 I square minus 36 I square, so this will become plus, and here you will have 36 I with minus sign. Okay, so this, here it is 0. 0 into. So these two terms will cancel out and this will become 0. So the determinant of the matrix will be 0. Okay, and determinant of a matrix is equal to lambda 1 into lambda 2 into lambda 3. So from these two options A and B, the B will be correct because one eigenvalue is 0. So the product of the eigenvalue will be 0 and which is equal to the determinant of A, and determinant of A is equal to 0. So the option B is correct. So uh, what concepts we have required for this question, for solving this question, that options we have initially we have discarded the option C using that the Hermitian matrix has a real eigenvalue. Option C is discarded. Option D we have discarded using the concept that the sum of the trace the trace of a given matrix is equal to the sum of eigenvalue. So the option D is discarded because in this given question the trace is 0, so the sum of the eigenvalue will be 0. So the D option we have discarded using that concept. Now we have remained with two options A and B. So to choose one option between these two options, we have used the third concept that the determinant of a given matrix will be equal to the product of the eigenvalues. So we have find out the determinant of a given matrix which is equal to 0, and so the product of the given eigenvalue will be equal to 0. So using that concept, we have find out that the option B will be correct. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any question related to previous CSIR net physics exam, please comment below. I will surely discuss with you. Thank you for watching.